You land in Bali with USD in pocket, ready to build your dream life. But day one, spreadsheets, random apps, Facebook groups, Reddit threads, just to figure out where your money went. That's not freedom. Everyone comes to Bali thinking they'll just show up and enjoy. Wrong. You're secretly doing CG Studio's job manually. Tracking spends in sheets, hunting visa tips on Reddit, piecing logistics from groups. It's friction. Time lost. Instagram hides it. Nomads waste hours on old school hacks. Spreadsheets crash, notes bury visa dates, groups give bad advice. You're building from scratch when a ready system exists. Curious? It connects money and travel, so you don't. Here's the Bali Flow system. Budget system in Google Sheets automates your finances. Log once. See if you're on track. No more Rupiah shock. Travel system in Notion handles visas, bookings, daily flow, all linked. Show up organized. Finances clear, travel seamless, daily flow light. More Bali, less building. Stop the manual mess. Get the Bali Flow system. Show up and thrive. Link below.